Is a broken power button standing between you and your morning coffee run with Apple Pay? Don't worry, you can still use Apple Pay even with a malfunctioning power button by using AssistiveTouch. First, head over to your iPhone settings. Scroll down until you find Accessibility and tap on it. In the Accessibility menu, look for Touch and select that. Now tap on AssistiveTouch at the top of your screen. Toggle AssistiveTouch on. A virtual button will appear on your screen. You can drag this icon anywhere you like. Now tap on Customize top-level menu to change settings for your new home button. Tap on one of the icons you want to change and choose Wallet from the options that appear now. Tap Done. Now, when you're at a payment terminal, tap the AssistiveTouch button, then tap on Wallet. Your default card will appear. Now hold your iPhone near the contactless reader to complete the transaction. And there you have it, Apple Pay without a working power button. Problem solved.